The 24/7 Threat Monitoring Center of the Interagency Task Force, composed of Commission on Elections or COMELEC, the Department of Information and Communications Technology or DICT, the Presidential Communications Office, the Parish Pastoral Council for Responsible Voting or the PPCRV, and Meta, continues to stay on high alert, closely guarding against any attempts to compromise the automated counting systems and actively monitoring the spread of disinformation online. PTV's Maryvel Custodio has the report.
The number of recorded election-related cybercrime incidents dropped on Election Day, according to the Cybercrime Investigation and Coordination Center, or CICC Incident Monitoring System, although there was an upward trend in the incidents from May 5 to May 11, with the highest number of cybercrime incidents recorded on May 11, a day before the elections, with over 250 incidents. The number of election-related cybercrime incidents recorded yesterday did not exceed 200.
Maganda naman yung kinalabasan natin ng pagbantay natin. Naging effective yung campaign natin against disinformation. Mabilis din ang tugon ng COMELEC sa pagdidebunk ng mga maraming disinformation na lumabas regarding mga disqualified candidates. Kunyari,
as of 3:36 p.m., only 150 election-related cybercrime incidents have been recorded today. This indicates a downtrend on the number of the incidents, even though vote counting is still ongoing. Most of these incidents reported or monitored are cases of disinformation and vote buying.
Tuloy-tuloy na to kasi alam niyo naman, after this meron tayo nung BARM. Then after nung BARM, magpre-prepare kami for the other activities that are coming like ASEAN in 2026. So tulad ng nabanggit ko kanina, maganda yung teamwork ba ngayon? At saka dalawa yan, private and public yung mga platforms nakikikooperate with the authorities. So malamang itutuloy-tuloy na natin to hanggang may fake news dyan, nandito kami para i-take down sila.
In an interview with Bagong Pilipinas Ngayon with DICT spokesperson Aboy Paraiso, he said that Meta, Google, and other partner social media sites have been swiftly taking down false information related to elections. The DICT stated that the Interagency Task Force preparation were effective as there were no major threats during the elections. The DICT also advises the public to verify online content through the official social media pages of the government agencies and candidates.
Yung mga kababayan na makakaasa ho kayo, nandito ho ang pinagsanid na puwersa ho ng inyong pamahalaan. Nandito ho ang PCO, nandito ho ang DICT, CICC, andyan ho ang COMELEC, NBI, PNP, para ho siguraduhin at panatiliing safe, with integrity and peaceful ho ang ating eleksyon. Makakasiguro ho kayo na hindi ho kami tumitigil na sa pag-i-ensure na lahat ng sistema ng ating pamahalaan ay safe po, lalong-lalo na ho itong automated election systems ho natin.
From PTV, Vel Custodio, Balitang Pambansa.